King Life Group. Located in Foshan, Guangdong Province, King Life Group encompasses a sprawling 60,000 square meters and boasts a workforce exceeding 600 employees. We are a leading enterprise specializing in RVs, yachts, and off-road sheet metal products, leveraging our subsidiary brands Ecocampor, King Ocean, and Kindle, as well as affiliated companies such as Foshan Kindle Import and Export Co. Limited, Guangdong Ecocampor Vehicle Co. Limited, and Foshan Kindle Technology Co. Limited. We strive to provide exceptional solutions to our clients. Products and manufacturing expertise. King Life Group possesses advanced production facilities dedicated to trailer production and assembly, large and small RV assembly, floating pontoon boat production, aluminum boat manufacturing, aluminum pickup production, aluminum pickup assembly, metal component pre-treatment and painting, and sheet metal production. We place great emphasis on product details and quality, adhering to our core values of aesthetics and efficiency. We are committed to delivering products that meet the highest standards. Logistics and customer service. With a proficient logistics team and container loading platforms, King Life Group ensures timely and secure product delivery to our clients. Our sales team is efficient and effective, maintaining close collaboration with clients to tailor exceptional solutions to their unique needs. At King Life Group, we're driven by a commitment to exceptional quality, professional service, and customer collaboration. We constantly innovate, aiming to contribute to the advancement of the RV, yacht, and off-road sheet metal product industries, striving to be at the forefront of the sector.